American dream.
They have scratched and clawed and dominated their way to an opportunity.
You're gonna respect. One thing they don't have for Aleister Black and Ricochet is respect. They went as far as to say that Black and Ricochet are just...
What will Jackson Riker, how will he? Black not only cohesively becoming a formidable tandem.
Ricochet is as tough as they come. This man's got a gas tank on him. He can go all day.
WWE Chairman Vince McMahon said that no sports entertainer, quote, personify the... NXT champion, and he and Ricochet, how physically fit both Ricochet and Black are coming, and Sons have the edge, the experience.
Introducing first, the Forgotten Sons, and their opponents. First, Ricochet, and his partner, Aleister Black.
So this is for tag team.
Here we go.
Getting things started immediately.
They saw Big Jackson Riker on the outside and they thought better of it.
Win must take place in, has done to the careers of those who won, the authors of pain.
Strong turning on Pete Dunne in the finals and joining the Undisputed Era. Any significant...
Tag was made, and Aleister Black.
The team experience between Ricochet and Black, but think about how far they've come in a short amount of time on Raw brands.
Ricochet dispensing with 3 on the outside.
Whoa!
But be that as it may, they're not going to win the match on the outside, to your point, Morrow.
Danny Burch to make it to the finals of this tournament.
Oh!
Blake, like Dusty Rhodes, making that back crack. Dusty Rhodes has meant to so many NXT superstars, and that is why they're... Oh, back first hard goes Rick. And yet here they are on the verge of challenge.
They don't care at all about the accomplishments. Close.
Inches away. Oh! Springboard into the backbreaker, into the cover for a 2.
Perfect tag team.
Trying to put away Ricochet. 1, 2, forced by Cutler.
Ricochet, a man who oftentimes...
From a fight, a Marine like the of opportunities like this. No but Cutler trying to give us all the Ricochet now bouncing back to take the tag.
Feet.
Ducks under the attempt.
Again, perfect tag team wrestling.
Boyd by the Forgotten. Blake rolled through by Ricochet, but now launches him. Tag is made for the price of 1. Black utilizing his educated limbs, poised to deliver. Master Cutler, but Cutler does the same. Double underhook into the way as they have enemy territory. Wow! Enemy's corner and tag team match. Oh! Oh, wow, what a shot by Cutler. Oh! Wow! Wow. European uppercut. Oh, wow!
And up!
Oh, counter knee strike. The energy that's being expended. They have to be careful. Oh, deep breaths being taken by Ricochet. Tag team classic and flash attempt. Wow. Oh, perilous position.
What's Blake got in mind here?
Oh, in comes Aleister Black.
Ooh.
And he immediately... Oh, wow! Blake is down. Is Blake out? Black and Blake, legal men in the Rhodes Tag Team Classic. Oh!
Here comes Cutler!
Oh, what an elbow drop by. We are going to send the Forgotten Sons to take over.
Not willing to give up. It was almost...
In every hard tandem offense. Oh, come on, Cutler. Oh, wow, looking to deliver. Oh, what cover. Wesley Blake.
The Sons win.
What the?
Get him out of here. Oh, we got a fair fight.
And Ricochet. Oh, Black back. Oh, high. Aleister Black, 630.
That's it.
630 leads to the 1-2-3. Put up by the Forgotten Sons. But Ricochet.
As we take a look now.